Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.3.04 Feature Dimensions Control Cost Workup. When clicked, buttons on the elevation pedestal sheet switch to the project dimensions sheet. Click the button labeled DMNS S1 DOR, BSE, A or L, LWR in cells DH56 through DW73 and switch to the project dimensions sheet. On the project dimensions sheet, you are prompted to enter the door dimensions starting in cell Q494. Until feature dimensions are input, the cost of that feature will not be calculated correctly, if at all, on the respective cost workup sheet. Remove invalid dimensions from the project dimension sheet. When found, change incorrect project dimensions. The cost will be incorrect if the dimensions are wrong. Dimensions are always displayed and entered in the sequence: width, by depth, by section height, by accumulated height, by quantity. The 4 dimensions will fill cells Q494 through T494. The 5th entry in cell 494 is the quantity. This example 1.3.04 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.3.05.